Hi guys, welcome to weekly forex forecast. My name is Andrew Shanetsky. I'm a technical analyst at AAFX Trading company, and today we'll start from Euro USD currency pair. As you can see, we have a local bearish trend, and especially after the release of good economic data on Friday, this currency pair Euro USD fall down. We need to highlight our new resistance level. It's 1.1073, 1.1089 and 81. Sorry. As you can see here, there is a quite large volume here, and after a correction of the price to this level, it continued its fall. So that's why this level should be pointed off, and that's why this level will be our stop loss when we will open short positions. The scenario is next. We need to wait for a little correction, for example to level 1.1015, and after that we can open short positions. Stop loss should be set a little bit above this level. Well, 1.1083 will be good for our stop loss. Our first target will be this level. Here you can see it, it's 1.0826. So after correction, it will be around 1.800 points. So with stop loss around 60-70 points, it's really profitable trade for us. So we need just to wait for good price, and after this we can open short positions. Long positions, now I think it's not a good idea, so really only short positions, and then waiting for the price reach our target. Our next instrument is GBPUSD. As you can see, now we have a little consolidation here between level 1.2322, 1.2109. As you can see, price is trading between these two levels, and our main scenario will be breakout of this consolidation of one of this border. Let's take a look at our volume chart. Here you can see that in this consolidation a huge volume is concentrated, so it means that breakout of one of these borders will start a good local trend. That's why our scenario for trading British pound is quite simple. Just wait the price or go down and break out 1.2109, and we will set a stop loss a little bit above breakout candlestick, and we'll wait for further downtrend. Well, our target in such case will be this local minimum, but if there will be a reversal signal or a huge volume that will stop this fall and the price will bounce back, it will be right to close short positions. In case if we will go up and break this level 1.2322, we will set a stop loss a little bit below breakout bar, and our first target will be level 1.2470. It's our previous level of resistance. So for pound situation is quite clear, just we need to wait for breakout of this consolidation, and if this will happen, our position for British pound will be quite good and quite profitable. Of course, if we look a little bit globally, we see that we have a really strong bearish trend. That's why for me short positions are more likely to happen, and they are more profitable because we have a real huge target, so it will be really good for us. So waiting for the breakout of this consolidation and open short or long positions. Our next instrument is USD/GBPY. As you can see it here, we have a strong bullish trend, and we need to point out some volume levels and some support levels. First one is our old support level 102.62, 102.97, and the new one it's 103.36. These two levels are very important for us because only in case of their breakout we will open short positions. But still we have a good trend, we have support levels, so I think that more likely the price will go up. So I prefer to open long positions. Let's take a look at our volume chart here. As you can see it here, why I pointed out this level, because we have a quite large volume here, and after this volume price continued its rise, because we need to take a look at forex. Yes, this level and rise of price. So the scenarios of opening long positions are next. First one, we have a little correction here, little calm correction without huge volumes, and after that we can open long positions. Stop loss should be set just a bit under this level, and our first target will be just this local highs, but it's just only our first target. If we will break out and we'll go further, we can even add some volume to our position and hold them to our next local maximum. And the second scenario is price starts growing up from current levels and break out this local high. After this we can open long position. Stop loss should be set under breakout bar, breakout candlestick, and we hold our long position further for just about 1 and 5.40. It's our main target, it's more than 120 pips, but it's in this case, in case of rise of USD/GBPY from current levels, it is our first target. If we will break it, just our next target will be 106.90. So for Yena, the situation is quite clear, and long positions seems to me quite profitable ones. So for Yena, only long positions, only buy. So sell we should open only in one case, if we will had a strong bearish momentum here with very large volume, and in case of breakout these two levels. Only in such case we can open short positions, but still I think that we will go up, and that's why I prefer to open long position. Our next instrument is gold. As you can see, even after release of good economic data on Friday for US dollar, gold still remains in consolidation and still holds its positions. So now we need to point out two levels. It's two borders of our consolidation. First one, it's 1243.30, and second one is our old level of resistance, 1258.70 and 1264. So here you can see why I highlighted these levels. Here is a very large volume, and as you can see it here, this level also has and had a large volume. So also you can see that the situation is quite similar to British pound, that we have a large volume in this consolidation. So for us it's a signal that after a breakout of one of this level, there will begin quite a good local trend upwards or downwards. So for us the scenario is simple, and it's really the same as for British pound. We need to wait for breakout of this consolidation. So if we will break down this level and the price will be fixed under it, we can open short positions. Stop loss should be set a little bit about a breakout volume bar, and our target is really quite big. It's around 300 pips to level 12.11, 12.10. So really the profitability of this deal is very high. In case of breaking out upper board of this consolidation, our first target will be this level. It's our previous resistance, 1282.60, 1286.70. So you can see that it's also quite profitable deal, 200 pips, and stop loss will be around 80-90 pips. So risk profit ratio is quite profitable for us. So for gold the situation is simple: consolidation, breakout of this consolidation of one of which borders, and opening long or short positions. Let's take a look at our main market news on current week. As you can see, on Monday there will be a Draghi speech, so it's quite important news, especially for euro. So really you should be very careful if you will have, or you have already some deals. Also on Tuesday we have a very interesting and very important news about US dollar. It's consumer price index and core consumer price index. On Wednesday we have a news on China. It's quite important news for yen, because if this economic data will be poor, yen more likely will rise. Also labor market news in United Kingdom, so British pound will be quite volatile on this news, and also BOC rate statement and BOC monetary policy report. So if you trade Canadian dollar, you should also be very careful on Wednesday. On Tuesday we have a minimum bid rate and European Central Bank press conference. So for euro, it's you see that this week for euro is very important. So be very careful trading euro this week. And on Friday we also have news about Canadian dollar. It's core retail sales and core consumer price index. So if you trade Canadian dollar, also should be quite careful. So as you can see, on this week we have a lot of economic data, a lot of important news. So be careful. Always check news, important news in the morning, to be aware of some periods of volatility. For today, it's all. Hope that this forecast will be helpful for you, will be useful. Have a nice week. Have a nice profit. See you. Bye bye.